Alright guys, it's me again. Just want to make a real quick video. One of the locks I got recently from a friend of mine named Jeff Moss is this WB padlock in the keyway there. I'd never seen one with this little I'm not even sure what to call it. But I asked him, and apparently it's to lock up some kind of a gas meter, which would make sense. It would make sense because the WBs, I see them quite often on the electrical boxes and other utility type boxes, so it would make sense. But you can see it's locked. See if we can get it open. I'm using bottom of the keyway tension with a pry bar. And what do you guys call this? A single hump brake. See if I can get it open here real quick. I'm not sure, what do you call this? Raking, or some people call it bitch picking. What up? Rocking it back and forth, maybe, I don't know. Oh. There you go. It was easy enough. Just I don't know, is that rocking it back and forth? Not really raking it, but just rocking it back and forth. Still a cool lock though, right? Looks pretty cool with that thing on there. Alright guys, thanks for watching, man. We'll see if we can make another video here pretty quick.